Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by marinating. This is where flavor and tenderness are set. Combine 1 kg pork with 200 g yogurt, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili, and 2 tablespoon garam masala. Coat every piece. Once mixed, score the meat so the marinade penetrates. Make sure to press spices into cuts. Let it rest for 2-4 hours or overnight for deeper flavor. While it rests, prepare chopped onions, tomatoes, and whole spices so you can move straight into the hot pan. You now build a rich masala. Heat 4 tablespoon oil, toast bay leaves, cinnamon, and cloves until fragrant. This layers the base. Once aromatic, add 2 large sliced onions and brown them. Longer browning gives color and depth. Add the marinated pork and sear on high to lock juices. Don't crowd the pan. Then stir in 400 g chopped tomatoes and 1 cup water. Reduce heat and simmer 30-40 minutes, skimming foam. This slow cook softens collagen and concentrates flavor. Patience matters. You're on the final stretch. Taste and adjust. If the gravy is thin, raise the heat briefly to reduce. If it's too dry, add stock in 1/4 cup increments. Make sure to stir. Finish with 2 tablespoon butter for gloss and chopped cilantro for freshness. Let the pork rest 10 minutes so juices redistribute. This keeps meat moist when you cut. Once done, serve hot with rice or rotis. If flavors seem flat, a squeeze of lemon brightens the whole dish. Use sparingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.